Hi, my name is Daniel Fitzgerald and I'm a solution consultant working for New Relic. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily send Prometheus metrics to New Relic using a remote write configuration to benefit from the long-term storage 13 months that New Relic provides. Prometheus is great as a metrics solution, especially when working with Kubernetes to capture metrics about your infrastructure, your applications, and other supporting components like databases. However, since it's really easy to set up, it can actually be really hard once you've set it up to scale it to provide long-term durable storage and some of the more kind of enterprise features like RBAC controls and user access. So what you can do is you can actually send those metrics from Prometheus to New Relic, and then you benefit from long-term durable storage, user access controls, and being able to chart those metrics in New Relic and also in Grafana. So let's get started then. I have my Prometheus here and I can see I'm looking at a few metrics. And I want to write all of the metrics that Prometheus is collecting into New Relic. So I'm going to start by going to New Relic 1, and you can see I'm here on the home page, and I'm going to click on the options menu in the top right navigation, and I'm going to go to add more data. And I'm going to search for Prometheus or just Prom and click here. And this is going to take me to an editor, which can easily help me set up this integration. So I'm going to pick the account that I want to send metrics to and click continue. And it's going to ask me to add a label to identify my Prometheus server. So this is going to be an additional attribute which is included on all the metrics. I'm going to call it my prom server, and this is going to help me identify where the metrics are coming from. Then I simply click generate URL, and that's going to give me a free line config that I can put into my Prometheus configuration. Now I'm not going to click it because that's going to reveal my license key, and I don't want to show that on the video. Okay, let's go into the terminal, and I'm going to edit the Prometheus YAML file. And in the previous step where it generated that free line URL, I would just paste that here where it says remote write, and you paste it at the top level with the same indentation as the global section. And you can see that it consists of a remote write, a URL, and a bearer token, which is your license key. Okay, so let's quit that. Then I would restart my Prometheus. So I'm going to start it by doing a Docker compose up in this case. And once that has happened, then you'll be able to click this button here, which says see your data. And that will take you to a lovely dashboard, which shows you all of the information about the metrics that are coming from your Prometheus server. So you can see here the number of metric data points that we're sending, broken down by the Prometheus server label that you added earlier, and you can see how many of those data points are actually being stored and things like the number of unique time series. I'm going to do some more videos on how you can actually use these metrics and alert on them later, but for now, that's a very quick guide to how to set up a Prometheus remote write configuration to send your metrics to New Relic for durable long-term storage. Thank you.